How to use GearUp Booster. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to explain how to use GearUp Booster. But before jumping in, there's something important you should know. Quick disclaimer first, the app has mixed feedback. So some users say the boost doesn't always make a noticeable difference, while others report performance issues. There are also complaints about subscriptions being difficult to cancel and unexpected charges after free trials, which has made some people feel uncomfortable using it, so keep that in mind before you proceed. Now, if you still want to try GearUp Booster and see how it works, let's get into the setup. Start by opening either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store depending on your device. In the search bar, type GearUp Booster and look for the official app. Download it, install it, and then open it. Once inside the app, you'll land on the Boost section. This area displays a list of supported games and apps that GearUp can work with. At the bottom right corner, you'll also see a Me section where options like redeeming codes, sending feedback, accessing help articles, and managing your account are located. You will also notice an upgrade or subscribe option. This is important because GearUp Booster requires a paid plan to actually activate boosting features. According to the app, the subscription unlocks unlimited boost time, additional tools, and access to global servers. To use the booster, head back to the Boost tab and select the game you want to optimize. For example, a game like PUBG. After selecting the game, choose a server region. You can either manually pick a region or leave it on automatic selection. Once that's done, the boost option becomes available. However, you won't be able to activate it unless you have an active subscription. This is one of the main drawbacks of GearUp Booster. Boosting is locked behind a paid plan, whether through a free trial or a direct purchase. The app usually offers multiple plans such as a short trial, a weekly option, or a monthly subscription. Choose whichever one suits you best, but make sure to review the terms carefully. While some users claim the booster helps reduce lag, others feel it actually worsens gameplay. So results can vary depending on your network and device. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.